Same way second digit is 0. So we will write 0 into 2 raised to 1. Third digit is again 0. So we will write 0 into 2 raised to 2. Then fourth digit is 1. So we will take it as 1 into 2 raised to 3. And next digit is again 1. So we are taking 1 into 2 raised to 4. So from right to left, when we move in the digits, the weight of 2 go on increasing. That is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and so on. Now we all know that x raised to 0, any number to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So whenever we come across 2 raised to 0, it will be considered as 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2 to the power of 1, that means 2, and 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4, and 2 raised to 3 means 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. Same way 2 raised to 4 would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16, and so on. So these are powers of 2 or weights of 2. They go on increasing as we move from right to left in the binary number. So when we see here 1 into 2 raised to 0, it becomes 1 into 1, that is 1. Now 0 into anything is 0, so we will take it as 0. Again 0 into anything is 0, so it is 0. And 1 into 2 raised to 3, we know that 2 raised to 3 is 8 and 1 into 8 will be 8. So we take 8 here. Same way 1 into 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 is 16. So 1 into 2 raised to 4 is 16. Now whatever digits we have achieved, we will add all these digits. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16. So after adding, what answer we get? We get 25. We will do normal decimal addition. So the answer obtained will be 1 plus 8 plus 16, that is 25. Therefore 1 1 0 0 1 to the base 2 will be equal to 25 to the base 10. Now let's take another example. Here we are taking 6 digits. 1 1 1 1 1 1 to the base 2 is equal to dash to the base 10. So beforehand I have written on the right side the weights of 2 and their equal values. So 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 raised to 4 16, 2 raised to 5 32 and 2 raised to 6 64 and so on. So first what we will do is we will note down the given binary number and start noting the weight from right to left and multiplying the digit with the weight. So as all are 1, so we will multiply 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2, 1 into 2 raised to 3, 1 into 2 raised to 4 and 1 into 2 raised to 5. So totally 6 digits. So from 0 to 5 weights will increase. Now 1 into 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 2 cube, that is 1 into 8 is equal to 8. We know that 2 cube is equal to 8, so it is 8. Now 2 raised to 4 is 16, so 1 into 16 is 16. Now 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32, so 1 into 32 will be equal to 32. Now we will add all the numbers obtained. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 we are going to do. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 16 is 31, 31 plus 32 is 63. So the answer obtained would be 63. Therefore, 1 to the base 2 is equal to 63 to the base 10. How we convert binary number into their equivalent decimal form. Now this was about a simple binary number given. What